You're probably exhausted from translating every single word in your head. And honestly, everyone does it when they're learning a new language. It's completely normal, but here's what most people don't realize. The moment you stop doing it, your English actually takes off. So the real question is, how do you stop? My name is Sam, and I've been learning English for almost 12 years. I'm fluent now, and thinking in English just feels natural. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tricks that helped me and thousands of others finally make that switch. Here's what's actually happening in your brain. Your mind is wired in your native language. So when you hear or read English, it automatically runs everything through a translation filter just to make sense of it. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you all 3 tricks to fix it. Okay, first trick, think in images, not words. Read this sentence. She grabbed her coat and rushed out the door. And don't you dare translate it with a translator, because I'm going to make you understand this sentence with images. She grabbed her coat. She grabbed her coat and rushed out the door. And rushed out the door. See? You understood everything without translating a single word. Just images playing in your head like a little movie. Let's run through a few more examples. She poured herself a cup of coffee and sat by the window. He looked at his phone and smiled. She walked into the kitchen and started making breakfast. The elevator doors opened and everyone stepped out. The sun went down and the street lights came on. See that? You understood every single one of those without translating anything. And that's the whole point. Your brain doesn't need a translation when it can just see what's happening. That's trick number 1, and it works. Now, trick number 2, surround yourself with English. And no, I don't mean you have to move to America or England. You can create a small English world right where you are. Start with your phone. Change your phone language to English. At first, it might feel uncomfortable, but that's actually a good thing. And you're probably already using Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or some other social media, so use that. Start following English pages about things you actually like, not boring grammar pages. Things you are interested in. Because when the topic is interesting, English doesn't feel like studying, it feels like content. And that's exactly what you want. You want English to become part of your normal day. Play an English podcast while you're walking. Watch one short YouTube video in English. Even if you understand only 30 or 40%, that's okay. You're still training your brain. Now, trick number 3. So don't just watch movies for fun. Use them as a tool. When you hear something you don't understand, pause for a moment and read the subtitle. Try to understand what the whole phrase means, not just each word separately. And if you need to translate it, that's completely fine. But after you translate it, go back to the scene and listen again. This time, the phrase will feel different because now you understand the meaning. Your brain connects the words to the situation, to the emotion, and to the story. And that makes the phrase much easier to remember. You don't need to study the whole movie like a textbook. Just find 1 or 2 useful phrases, repeat them once or twice, and keep watching. Small moments like this can improve your English a lot over time. And that's it. 3 simple tricks that helped me a lot when I was learning English. They're not magic. But if you do them every day, your brain will slowly get used to English. And one day you'll notice that you're not translating every word anymore. And if you want to improve your English, subscribe to this channel. We're going to post a lot of useful content to help you learn English in a simple way. See you in the next video.